Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of turning on location in Windows 10. Enabling the location feature can be beneficial for various apps and services that rely on location data. So, let's get started. Step 1. Start by pressing the Start button on your Windows 10 desktop. This will open the Start menu, providing access to settings and applications. Step 2. Next, navigate to the Settings menu. You can easily find it by clicking on the gear icon located in the left-hand side of the Start menu. Step 3. Inside the Settings menu, look for and click on the Privacy option. It will allow you to manage your privacy settings. Step 4. Within the privacy settings, locate and click on the Location option on the left side. This will take you to the location settings. Step 5. To enable desktop apps to access your location, click on the Change button next to Allow desktop apps to access your location. This step ensures that desktop applications can use your location data when necessary. Step 6. Finally, toggle on the Location Access for this device option. This will activate the location feature for your Windows 10 device, enabling apps and services to utilize your location data. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on the location feature in Windows 10. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in understanding how to enable location in Windows 10. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.